Ever wonder how much cold hard cash you can pull out of Questrade? Hey investors! Let's face it, whether you're a seasoned day trader or just starting your investment journey, there comes a time when you need to access your hard-earned money. Maybe you've got a big purchase coming up, a dream vacation on the horizon, or simply want to diversify your holdings. Whatever the reason, understanding how much you can withdraw from Questrade and the process involved is crucial. Now, Questrade isn't a bank, but it is a platform that lets you trade stocks, ETFs, and other securities. So, unlike your bank account where you can typically grab every penny, there are a few things to consider when withdrawing from your Questrade account. Fear not, financial friends. That's what this video is all about. We'll dive deep into the nitty-gritty of Questrade withdrawals, explore those key considerations, and shed light on how much money you can realistically pull out. First things first, the good news, there's no minimum withdrawal amount on Questrade. That means you can snatch back every penny you have sitting in cash, as long as it's not tied up in an ongoing investment. However, the real question lies with the maximum withdrawal limit. Here, things get a little more interesting because it depends on the type of withdrawal method you choose and, in some cases, the type of account you have on Questrade. Let's unpack the two most common withdrawal methods, electronic fund transfers, EFTs, and wire transfers. EFTs, your speedy and free friend, mostly. EFT, also known as bank transfers, are the most popular withdrawal option on Questrade. They're generally free and convenient. The money gets deposited directly into your linked bank account, typically within 1 to 3 business days. But here's the catch, there's a daily limit of 50,000 Canadian dollars for EFT withdrawals. Now, that's a pretty hefty sum for most of us. But for those ballers out there with more significant withdrawals planned, there's a slight wrinkle. Any amount exceeding $50,000 will take an additional business day to process for every $50,000 increment. So, a $100,000 withdrawal via EFT might take 2 business days to reach your bank account. Wire transfers, need it now? Pony up. Now, if speed is your priority and you need the cash lightning fast, wire transfers are your answer. They can zip the funds to your bank account within the same business day, or sometimes even on the next. However, unlike the free EFTs, wire transfers come with a fee attached. The fee amount can vary depending on the amount you're transferring and your bank's policies, so be sure to check beforehand. Hold on, there's more, account types and withdrawals. Now we come to those few things to consider we mentioned earlier. The type of Questrade account you hold can also affect your withdrawal options. Here's a quick rundown. Cash accounts, these are your standard, no-frills investment accounts. There are no restrictions on withdrawals from a cash account, so you can pull out as much as you have readily available cash. Registered accounts, RRSPs, TFSAs, etc. These accounts offer tax advantages, but there are limitations on withdrawals. Withdrawing from a registered account can trigger tax implications, so it's crucial to consult with a financial advisor before making any significant withdrawals. Margin accounts, these accounts allow you to borrow money to invest. However, there are specific rules regarding withdrawals from margin accounts. Make sure you understand the margin requirements before attempting a withdrawal. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with a qualified professional before making any investment decisions or large withdrawals. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.